Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I have 5 food hacks for you, and that's for busy moms, busy dads, or just busy people in general. All right, food hack number 1 is to use a meal delivery service. I have been using Home Chef lately, and I love it so much. I got you $30 off of your first order off of Home Chef. All you have to do is use the link and the code in my description box, and you will get $30 off, you guys. It is a really great service. And I truly do love using these kinds of services because they help you get through the week if you're a busy person, whether you're a mom, a dad, have a job. If you want a healthy, delicious home-cooked meal, then a meal delivery service like Home Chef is the way to go. All you have to do is you get on your computer, you sign up, and then you pick the meals that you want from what they're offering. And then each week they're sending you fresh ingredients. It's perfectly portioned for you. They give you like the exact amount of ingredients that you need for every recipe. And if you follow the instructions, I'm telling you, it comes out perfect. A couple of recent meals that I got from Home Chef was their hot honey salmon dish because Nikosh loves salmon. It was so easy to prepare. No one knows that you got some help, It's like a little booster for you because you just get home, open the fridge, everything is packed for you, ready to go, and you just chop it up, put it in the stove or in the oven, and it's ready to go. I also recently got their yang yang beef, and that was super delicious. And what's great about these recipes is that you get to keep the recipe card, and then you can try to make the meal over and over again if you really like it. So that's also a bonus. I'll leave a link and the code in the description box below, and you get $30 off of your first order, and you are going to love it. Food hack number 2 is 2-ingredient pancakes. I love this recipe because it's so easy. It really is just 2 ingredients. You take a banana. Usually they're really large, ripe bananas, so I use 1 banana, but you can use 2 small bananas too. You want to make sure they're ripe because you want them to be soft. And then you take 2 eggs, you put the banana in a bowl, you mash it up, put the eggs in, stir it all together, and then you cook it just like pancakes, and it comes out looking just like pancakes, and essentially you're eating like a egg frittata, but has a little sweetness to it. I tell people it tastes a little like French toast without the bread, and it is a great way to get your toddler or your kids to eat their protein, especially if you have a hard time like me. I have a hard time getting Nikosh to eat his protein, so that's a great way because he loves banana and he loves a little sweetness. You can also mix it up a little bit. Once you get the hang of it, you can put oats in it, have a little more texture to it, and you can add other ingredients, but really the base is super easy. 2 ingredients, eggs and banana. And another thing, if it matters to you, it's gluten-free and dairy-free. Food hack number 3 is yogurt popsicles. Another way that I get Nikosh to get his protein and some dairy in is by making yogurt ice pops. I used to give him, those like packets of yogurt that are really delicious, and I would pop them in the freezer and he loved them. And then I turned them around and I realized that they were mostly just sugar and there was really no dairy or protein in them. And so I started getting organic yogurt. You just make sure it's like the individual cups. You cut a little slit in the top and you put a popsicle stick in, pop them in the freezer, and then they're ready to go once they're frozen. You just pull one out each time and your kids will love them. I know Nikosh obsesses over this. He thinks it's delicious and he gets a little healthy snack. Food hack number 4 is no added sugar jam. So I make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for Nikosh all the time, and he loves the sweetness, he loves berries, he loves sugar. It's in him, it's in me. I love sugar too. So one thing I've been doing is making this jam that's really, really simple, and it does not have added sugar, and I feel like he loves it because I know he loves berries. All I do is I take about 1/3 cup of berries. I've been using raspberries lately because they're easy to mash up, and then I take a teaspoon of chia seeds, put them into the mashed up berries, stir it all together, and then you just let it sit until it becomes like a jelly, and then you can use it for anything. Nikosh actually likes to just eat it on its own because I feel like, you know, again, he just loves raspberries and different berries in general, but you can get it and you can spread it on peanut butter and jelly. You can put it into, you know, if you want to put it into like a pudding or anything like that. It's a really easy recipe. It tastes delicious and you aren't adding any sugar to it. Food hack number 5, and my favorite one, is to prep your fruits and vegetables. And I say this because I feel like it was a hard lesson for me to learn. I kept buying fruits and vegetables and then they would sit in my refrigerator and then they would just rot because I wouldn't use them, because every time I open my refrigerator, I'm already starving and hungry, and I just don't want to go through the process of, like, you know, rinsing off all of my veggies or my fruits and then having to dry them off, then chop them up and clean them up and get them ready. So what I've learned is on Sundays when I go grocery shopping, I get all of my vegetables, I get all of my fruit, and then I rinse all of them, and then if I know I'm gonna probably chop them a certain way, I chop them, get them ready, and then the trick, you guys, is to make sure they're completely dry. Water is the death of all of your fruits and veggies in the refrigerator. I even put like a paper towel on the bottom of the Tupperware and then on the top of it too of the container, and just make sure everything stays nice and dry and your fruits and veggies are ready to go. You just pull them out, they're ready to be used, whether it's in a salad or you know, just to give your kids some fruit or to use it for a smoothie, anything that you want to use it for, it is ready to go. And I find that you are healthier, you use all of your fruits and veggies more, and it just makes your life easier. Just do it. Sunday night, make some time. It takes like an hour to just prep everything and you're good. And those are my 5 food hacks. Remember, I got you $30 off of your first order of Home Chef. The link and the code is in the description box below. I know you're gonna love this service. It's so delicious and super simple. Tell me in the comments below if you have any food hacks that you wanna share, whether it's for moms or for busy people in general. I know that there are tons of food hacks to share. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.